Hi guys, today we have Ford Figo 2019 model, and to program key we need to go Ford. By the way, the chip is 149 and you can generate from VVDI Qtool Max. So first Ford automatic, then blade. The type is 1. Turn ignition on with the knee key. You can see we have turned ignition on. The Wi-Fi must be connected. So our Wi-Fi is connected, so we are going further. Number of keys is 2. Now we are going to add key. So it's gonna ask you to read p-flash. It is very important that you read the p-flash and save it in the file. If you don't do that and something happens, you can't record the p-flash and the ignition and everything will go off, and you need to change the immobilizer. So it is very important to focus on it. So it's logging. Now it will ask you to do you have p-flash data or not. We're gonna say no. If you have p-flash saved already, so you can say yes and select it from the file. By the way, when you back up the p-flash data in car, so dashboard and radio accessories will be off. You can't turn flashers or you can't see any details on the dashboard. Our key is on position, but you can see the dashboard has no lights if the radio is off. P-flash takes a lot of time, but it is about to end. Now it will ask to save it. Press OK. And if you messed up something, or if you're trying again for add key, you can use the file from your file manager. The computer is writing the data in the system. Also, I want to show you that the p-flash data backup is complete. So now the dashboard is on and radio also is on. Now it's asking reinsert the key to match and turn ignition on. So take the knee key and turn ignition on, and after that we are ready to press yes. As the key will program, it will ask you want to program more key or not. We're gonna say no, and process is gonna be complete. Now you don't have to do anything, just wait and key will be ready. Now it's about to aim, finish, okay, and get back. And now time to check the key. Now we are checking the key, and I hope you can hear the starting engine. If we can try again, yes, it's starting nice and clean.